Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to take this journey with me and hit that subscribe button and become friends. So I have an unboxing for you guys today, and it is Boxycharm for November 2022, and it's my PR box. It's gifted to me by Boxy. Yeah, so let's get into this. So there was no card in my box this time. I'm not really sure why or what happened there. But I have used everything in here and we're just going to go through it. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is the Saturday Skin, and it is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream Moisturizer. I'll show you what she looks like, but you guys have seen this. This is a repeat item. She's thick and I've used her several times. She's okay. I mean, I definitely get use out of it when I use it. Does that make sense? Yeah, it should, I guess. All right, so let's move on. Then we have by LES Lower East Side, a cream bronzer. Now, I've never heard of this brand, and I don't have any information about it because I don't have a card from Boxy. Boxy, you're slipping. Well, you've been slipping, but. All right, so let me go ahead and open this up. Here is what the bronzer looks like. She is a little too dark for me, so I'm not going to swatch her because I'm pretty sure I can find someone that will want to use her, but this is what she looks like. We've been getting so many cream bronzers, I'm going to be honest. The Alley-Oop and the, I mean, it's just, y'all know, it's crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Then we got by Amina Macaroon Lip Scrub. This is so yummy. I used it and it smells so good. I want to eat it. And it actually does taste good on the lips. It's not like I meant to taste it, but you all know what happens when you put on lip scrubs. All right, so yeah, she is kind of creamy, but she's a little bit gritty, and she definitely worked super well. And I'm gonna enjoy using her for sure. All right, then we got by Sophia and Mabel. This is called the Lip Slick Fruit Oil. I do have her on my lips. She smells good. And she's not sticky. I mean, like, not sticky in the slightest at all whatsoever. And she's shiny. So I like her. I'll definitely be using her. And then the last thing we got, which is on my eyes, you guys can see, is the by Item Beauty in My Element eyeshadow palette. She's gorgeous. She's pretty pigmented. I'll include in here swatches of her, but that was everything in my base box. So let me go ahead and just recap with you guys. An eyeshadow palette, a lip scrub, the lip oil, the moisturizer, and the bronzer. It's pretty well curated, I will say, you know, with the lip scrub, and then you've got the lip gloss. That works. You have an eyeshadow palette and a moisturizer, and then you've got a cream bronzer. I'm not really into the cream bronzers as much. I do like them for the simple fact that when you have mature skin, they kind of blend really, really well. But overall, I think this was a pretty decent box. I don't have a value because I don't have a card. I don't have a variation or anything like that. But I am looking forward to getting my paid box as well and then comparing the two. If that's something that you guys want to see and you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button because that video will go up as soon as I receive that box. If you do have any questions for me, put that down in the comments below. If you guys don't know, Boxycharm gives you 5 full-size items every single month. It's a combination of skincare, beauty tools, and makeup. It's $27.99 plus a $1.99 handling fee. And then I think it comes out to about $32 now that I pay for that. I do enjoy getting Boxycharm because I will get brands, high-end brands in there, and I enjoy that so much. So that's everything that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, would you mind giving it a thumbs up for me? And I'll see you guys really soon in another video. Bye. Do I need to be wearing pants for a video? I don't think so. I think we should be good like this. It should be all right. No one's gonna see me. Just don't stand up, Karen.